just been telling ngizibuza ukuthi why abantu nowadays are leaving me on WhatsApp. People are deleting me. I deleting my numbers because I don't know. I don't normally see their statuses anymore. But this is what I've realized, that people are like leaves. You know, people are like leaves. No matter how many times you may water your leaf or tender or take care of it, put manure and stuff. Even your people are like leaves. No matter how many times you may water that tree, no matter how many times you may take care of that tree, put manure around it, leaves are still gonna leave that tree. Some leaves are still gonna leave that tree. You know, people who leave, let them leave like leaves. But when continue doing right by you, continue taking care of yourself, continue watering yourself and becoming the best version of yourself every day. That's how it is. Don't want to force people to stay in your life. That can't happen.